Back, and today we are doing a fidget spinner unboxing, and I have one right here, right here. I have one right here, which I'm only gonna use for like the daytime, and I got this one for it feels loose, and then for that. Okay, wait a second. Okay, well I got this one, and then let's open this one. Okay. Well, oh my god. Like it. That's nice. That's a nice heft. Compared to this one, I could just tell this one's heavier than this one. And then you just put this one in here. Put that into there. Still spin with that. Now the tricky part is getting this off. Okay. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Well, I have to get a new one, but I have to get another one. You put this on here. It's difficult to get off. So I got my new fidget spinner. And then in the comments below, what should I name this one? I named this Flashy. You get it? Flashy. And I don't know what to name this one. Right here. So keep it in the comments below and see what I should name it. And what color should I get next? Right here. What number should I, what color should I get? I was thinking of black next, but you could pick whatever one. So yeah. That's it for this video. Bye!